2. This is part 2 of the video that I was making because I don't know if it would just stop recording for some reason. Anyways, if it did, I am sorry. Anyways, let's go check the chicken.
Gup.
Chicken!
Bye guys, I am going to public lobbies. And
okay, I don't really care. I'm just kidding. I care about everyone. Not everyone, but people. The fans are still here. A reference to Fanny from BFDI. I have bad aim. Please tell me chicken isn't back to normal. Alright, that's the please. No, the stinker. Dang it, they put it back to normal. Is the box still there? No, they got rid of it. So I guess this is just gonna stay here. Let's go check. I mean, I don't really know what else to do. Kill a turkey. I mean, later today I might make an, I know that. Yo, why is there just a tree here? That's weird. Why is the fan going into the stone? Anyways, in the future, try to expect a, No More Rainbows, playlist thingy McBobber. I'm just gonna do one video of the whole entire rainbow. No more rainbows. I'm just gonna do one world per vid, okay? For a sec, I thought I saw that move. By the way, the new fan code is going to be MOSSSS. So, Moss, but with 4 S's. So, yeah, I have this now. Wait, does it look like that on the original? Oh yeah, it does. How did I not notice that? Anyways, we're gonna explore this one more time. Kinda gotta like swim. How did I not realize that there's a grenade right there? And also the music is kinda different. And for some reason we just always spawn back here. I don't know why. And they might make some different spots later in this place, but for right now it's just gonna teleport you here. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna end this now. So yeah, see you guys in another video. Bye!